Logos, a service definition. A logo is the visual representation of a brand and its identity. There are a few types of logos that WynHouse Software typically creates: word marks, pictorial marks, and combination marks. A wordmark logo is a font-based logo that focuses on the business's name alone. A pictorial mark logo is seen as an icon or graphic. It's probably the first thing that comes to your mind when you think of a logo. A combination mark logo is a combination of a word mark and a pictorial mark logo. This type of logo includes an icon with a font within the icon. Service analysis. Using client input, brand goals, and research, a WynHouse designer creates a pictorial mark, word mark, or combo mark to represent the brand. A new logo should be complemented with full branding for effective branding. A WynHouse designer can convert a sketch provided by the project owner and convert the sketch into a digital copy, or use the sketch as the foundation of the logo to be revised into a more polished logo. WynHouse Software delivers the logo and its variations in an editable copy, which includes PNG, JPEG, SVG, and Illustrator files at varying resolutions and color profiles. This includes CMYK and RGB for any need: high resolution, web ready, and print ready. WynHouse can offer a logo design spec guide as well. The logo spec is good for a team that will eventually have designers that may need to make variations for print purposes. Service function. A logo is the first impression of a project owner's brand. A logo created with intention makes a strong bond between brands and its consumers and clients. The logo communicates the unsaid about a company. If you have any further questions, go ahead and toss a comment in the comment section. If you like this video, go ahead and give this video a like. And if you'd like to stay updated on this video series, you can go ahead and hit the subscribe button and hit the bell button to stay notified. Alright, have a good one.